personal chef. I work in Cincinnati, Ohio. Run two companies, Invito Personal Chef and A Better Restaurant. Better Restaurant is a concept that me and a business partner came up with. And the reason we call it A Better Restaurant, we wanted to focus, we kind of focusing on vegans. And the number one thing is devout vegans are afraid that their food is getting cross-contaminated with the proteins and any other things. So what A Better Restaurant has done is color coordinated from the cutting board to the utensils all the way to the refrigeration. The food is even kept in different refrigerators because food is porous. It has pores just like we do, and it lets off, things and gases and stuff like that. So Better Restaurant has separated those things. The menu is kind of eclectic. I'm when I get in the kitchen, I'm nervous and I want to be creative. So, the vegan side would be something like I have a vegan street dog, Italian street dog, sauteed peppers and onions, vegan aioli, vegan bread, and vegan mozzarella cheese on it. Something from the vegetarian would be a vegetarian saute, brown rice, tempeh, onions, tomatoes, liquid aminos, spinach, something to that effect. From the meat side, right now, I can't keep it. It's jerk salmon, pineapple jerk salmon over Asian rice noodle. I can't keep it on the shelf. Perfect meal is a pasta. I get real excited about sauteing pastas and the other ingredients because you actually build the dish. You see it come alive, and it's just universal, and it's versatile. It's a million types of pastas. It's a billion type of ingredients that can go in it, and it's 1,000 presentations. I've always been excited about what they call molecular gastronomy, which is using, it's like the food version of physics, biology, and science joined together, and we're using it as food. We're using it with food. I'm using liquid nitrogen. It freezes. It's like below zero. It'll freeze. I'm using flavored vodka. It'll freeze the vodka, and then when you eat it, it's almost like eating cold candy. And all of a sudden now, as soon as it hits your mouth and it hits the moisture, you got all this condensation coming out your mouth and smoke and stuff like that, as if you're standing outside in 0-degree weather. So I'll be using the vodka. I think it's something like cheese puffs, strawberries, just all type of things. I have all type of goodies that'll I'll be using with this liquid nitrogen.
I am super excited for this guy, Chef Anthony, up here on the stage because is that some vodka I see over there?
Yes.
Hey,
Yes.
welcome.
We're going to do something different with it today.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
So you're from A Better Restaurant.
From A Better Restaurant, Cincinnati, Ohio,
Yeah.
On the west side, in the Westwood area.
Love it.
Me and a brother-in-law, I want to thank Tony Emerson.
Thank you, Tony.
Yes, we came up with a concept, started talking about a restaurant. Restaurant led into a food truck, and we try to be health conscious. But today we're going to throw that out the window.
Throw that health out the window.
Because we want to do something fun, and we want to kind of start gearing toward the kids when the weather's change. Yes.
All right.
And
Well.
some fun.
All right. I'm excited. So what are you making for us today?
Today I have, I'm using liquid nitrogen.
So tell us a little bit about liquid nitrogen.
Liquid nitrogen is compressed air, several different ways. It's at a temperature of 210 degrees Celsius. It will freeze something instantly.
Fun.
And the fun part about it is once you do it with food, you can like breathe out the condensation and it foams. It looks like the horror movie, the Dracula, and the stuff's on the ground and stuff like that.
We're gonna get a real show up here today.
Yes. We're gonna demonstrate some liquid nitrogen, the effects, and just the visual effects.
Yeah.
And we get to taste it because when you put it in your mouth, it's frozen. And one of the reasons for the vodka is because vodka doesn't freeze until you use liquid nitrogen.
Oh. Oh, here we
Yes.
go. Like
Yes,
a
so-
little vodka popsicle.
Yes.
Oh.
A
that
good
right?
idea. See, we're going into partnership together. Liquid nitrogen, vodka
Mom and
popsicles.
Pop Pops. We've got
Boom,
something.
Boom. We going. It started right here.
Right here, around the
ThinkTV,
kitchen, you heard it.
Around the kitchen.
What's the date? 4th of
Yes.
November, 2017.
Yes. Yes.
Mom and Pop Pops
When
created.
you see our name, when you see our faces on the bottle.
Awesome. All right. More on our adult popsicle line later, you guys.
Yeah. First, we're going to. I'm going to do what I call the mushroom. I mean,
Okay.
not the mushroom. Blah, 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 blah,
So are you going to make a couple
marshmallow.
different things for us?
Yes.
Okay.
The marshmallow. I'm just going to put the marshmallow in the container.
Those are huge.
Yes. I have some what we call Madagascar vanilla, just to kind of give it a little flavor.
Look, he's brave with that fancy vanilla. He just pours it right in.
Yeah.
No, like putting it in the cap first.
And voila. Liquid
Better watch it. I'm going to move this.
nitrogen. And you'll see it just start to blah, 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 blah.
Do not attempt this at home. So what is the liquid nitrogen doing to the marshmallow right now?
It's freezing it.
Freezing it.
It's freezing
I guess
it.
maybe
It's
I should have known
crystallizing
that.
it.
Can I touch the cup?
Yes. You touch the cup. Just don't touch the liquid. You have to make sure it's completely frozen before you even touch it.
How do you know when it's completely frozen?
Because the liquid dissolves.
And does it stop smoking?
Yes.
Okay.
You have to completely get rid of the liquid.
Okay.
You can't touch
Don't
the liquid.
put that on your tongue.
You can't put the liquid
Ooh.
on your tongue.
It'd be
Anything
like,
that's moving.
The kid from A Christmas Story when he licks the pole.
Whoa. That was a
You know.
movie. This is real.
True.
Yeah. He got to go
We
home.
wouldn't be very good.
So we're just waiting.
So right now he's freezing a marshmallow.
And it's frozen.
It's frozen.
Frozen solid.
Frozen solid.
Yeah. And you,
It's like a cool party trick.
yeah.
And then do you just eat that?
Just eat it. And we want, like I say again, Better Restaurant wanted to do something for the kids once the weather changed.
Yeah.
So to give them something fun, something new.
You could
See,
put it on a stick. Everything
put
on a
it on
stick.
sticks. We
right?
can do it with.
Anything on a stick's fun.
I did it with. What is red velvet Oreos? You know, cheese puffs.
And you just freeze them, and then
freeze.
it's like this frozen, crunchy treat.
It freezes
How
instantly.
fun is that?
Yeah.
Now, liquid nitrogen's not something that you would just have in your house.
No. It's you have to get it. Thanks again to Wright Brothers in Cincinnati,
Okay.
who supplied me with the liquid nitrogen, and of course that you see the container has this certain type of top that
Yep.
breathes air
Yep.
and lets the liquid nitrogen breathe. Because if it's in a closed container and I walk away, it will explode. Yeah, it
Yeah,
will. We
that
will
would not
have a
be good.
catastrophe. We'd be on the news.
Well, all press is good press, buddy.
No. I mean, I like to be on the news, but by choice. Not, you know.
Making your frozen marshmallows.
Yes, yeah.
Anybody want to try
so
one?
You can hear it.
Nobody? All right, what's next?
Next is the whipped cream. We're going to take the Ready Whip.
There we go.
Ready Whip. And again, kids, fun. We got some peach preserves in there.
Okay.
I'm just going to kind of.
So he's got peach preserves in the bottom of his bowl, and he just covered with, good
Ready Whip.
Good Ready Whip.
And kind of mix those two together.
Yeah.
Get it all blended up and it'll come out, piece of rock hard, ready whip, peach ready whip.
Kind of like, I don't know, I was trying to think of something. What would
Souffle.
like a meringue-ish?
Yep. Yes. And again, I like these, so we're just going to kind of...
Best to put it in a separate container versus doing it right into that bowl?
Yeah, I can do it in that bowl.
Okay.
And it'll just freeze the whole thing.
Okay.
And we might just do that. Let's go.
Let's do
for
that. We've got this cool camera up here. Let's put
go.
it. Here, I'll
Exactly.
take. You want me to take those? You got them? All right.
Let's go for the gusto.
All right. Watch out, you guys.
Yeah.
Here goes nothing. So now it's going to be more like an ice cream.
Yes. Look at that.
It's pretty wild, huh?
It's fun.
I can see you guys at the restaurant. Do you just try to freeze everything?
Everything. Like I said, cookies, Cheetos. Just.
gosh.
I think and I'm so this close tempted to like put my hand in there because I have a glove on.
Don't do it. Because you've got to make us our cocktails, buddy.
Right.
You can't hurt your hand until we've had our cocktails.
All right. See, it's frozen.
Tristan over there at Grass Fed Gourmet, our demo guy has vodka.
It's frozen. So you have to wait until there's no liquid. That's the only way you can eat it.
And it's still bubbling. I mean,
Yes.
there's a lot in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, let's try this.
Oh, look, he's just getting all kind of crazy, just making it up as he goes.
I mean, it's instant. See that? You hear that? Listen.
Isn't that wild? Have you guys ever had a dish made with liquid nitrogen before? No.
Look at that.
A lot of the coffee bars, so in Cincinnati we have the Buzz
It's something I
Bowl
just.
Creamery,
Yep. Downtown.
which is an alcohol-based ice cream bar, and I think that they use liquid nitrogen.
Yep.
Maybe.
I just found that out.
So are you a sit-down restaurant or?
It's the restaurant has yet to open.
Oh, okay,
Right now
okay.
we're focused
so
on
catering?
a food truck.
A food truck.
Food truck.
I'm paying attention. I am listening
That's
to you.
okay. No, I know it's confusing.
All right.
It's confusing to me sometimes.
I-
It's because I'm also running a personal chef service,
Okay.
which is a whole different.
Do you
company.
operate out of that facility then
Yes.
as well? Okay.
Yeah.
And so people can find out about you how?
A Better Restaurant.
.com?
123 Facebook
A Better Restaurant 123 on
or
Facebook
invitopersonalchef.com.
and vitopersonalchef.com.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the web page. Will lead you to both businesses.
Awesome. Okay, good. Do you do a lot of catering?
I do small event caterings,
Yeah.
but A Better Restaurant has only been open for about 4 months.
Oh.
In Vito, it's been open like 4 years.
Gotcha.
And it's mostly built around health,
Good.
health and wellness, meal plans, meal prep,
Yeah.
cooking classes, cooking demos, things
Awesome.
like that.
Fun. So once this freezes, what's next?
Then we have the vodka.
Look at this thing still going.
Cut it to the front for Facebook Live.
Hey, Facebook Live.
Facebook Live.
Look at this cool demonstration.
Thank you.
Can I show it that to you?
Yeah.
Look at that. Whoa. He's like, it's almost like frying, frozen, frozen
Get some
frying.
smoke going.
Frozen, ooh.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
So in the bowl right now, he's got some peach preserves and he added whipped cream. And then he got real crazy and just crumbled up some mint right on top there.
Yeah.
And would that be something you could just eat with a spoon?
Yes.
Well,
You can
where's
break
our
it. We break it
spoons?
in pieces because you don't need spoons. It's too hard for spoons, and people just break it in pieces and
And just eat it.
just eat it. Yeah,
All
it's
right.
too hard for spoons. See? Like that.
I'm gonna try this. Can I try it?
Yes.
I just blew
Just
it.
blow
like
out the
it-
condensation.
All right.
Yeah.
That's so fun.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
That's good.
That's
Man.
you just made something.
I
You just got up here and just.
It's the first
made it.
time I've did it.
We're just winging it. We're winging this
Yeah.
show. That is really good.
That is good.
It's kind of chewy from the peach preserves. And I mean, whipped cream, come on, really.
Right. That
Whipped
is.
cream's just good.
Oh my God! Can't wait till it's over so I can
I
go sit
know.
down and just.
We're just going to pass this bowl around. All right, so we've got our frozen marshmallows, right?
Yes.
Then our frozen
Whipped cream.
ice cream, nitro cream preserve.
Peach preserves.
Yeah, all of that.
Nitro preserves. That's what we're gonna call it.
I like it. You don't have to convince me.
There. Okay. Now,
All right.
for the grand.
Oh yeah, let's just
Uh-oh.
move this stuff out of here.
This is it. Let me see. Let me make
And
sure.
I like these little tube shots. We're gonna get a
Yeah.
little rowdy up here.
Uh-oh.
Woo!
Uh-oh. I gotta keep my eye on you.
Uh-oh.
They be putting me out
I
saying,
know. Oh,
Mr.
oh,
Jordan,
which one
you
he
can't
slipped-
come back next year. And some of these are full. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get smart,
Okay.
innovative, and I'm gonna take some nitro, put it in a cup
So
first.
what exactly? You've got these little tubes
This is
here.
pear vodka, pear infused vodka.
All right. So just organic pear juice
Yes.
and some vodka here.
Yeah.
I like
We
the
have
way
any
he's taking
vodka
this.
drinkers out here? Oh my God.
You.
That's what we want.
We're gonna go need to buy some more test tubes here.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is
All right.
we're gonna do it like this first. I'll put some nitro here.
Always wear gloves when you're working with liquid nitrogen.